So, after running for Jamaica for so many years and finally getting a road named after you, them spell your name wrong? Shelley and Fraser, the price is right. You know, so we have to discuss this Sunday, right?
Zambian president demands refund on denied visa applications. We need to talk about this. Poco Loco Floating Bar reopens in Ocherios.
Hold on there. Poco Loco, the floating bar at Ocherios, right?
Yeah.
The last year, Hurricane Beryl mashed up the bar.
Yeah.
And then I reopen it.
Yes.
So hurricane season now come up back. We need to talk about this. Yo, this is the warlord. Yo, camera personnel, back up. This is the warlord bounty killer. Guess what? After 15 years, the warlord returns to the US with a star-studded performance.
Plus, this year on Sumfest,
We know what happened at Sumfest. Cartel is going to be crowned king of the dance hall.
no. Laden will be returning to the Sumfest stage after 13 years. August 16th, the bartender cookout. Menu coming out soon. Remember to place on the orders.
June 29th, the premiere of the agency. Make sure someone ready for this.
All these stories and more on Sunday Night Lyme at 8 p.m. Make sure you tune in and cook the Sunday dinner from early, right?
Yeah, man.
Later.
So we're not talking about cartel.
No.
No.
No. Poco Loco Floating Bar.
You start to talk too soon. Yeah.
Poco Loco. Wait.
You start. Yo. Back up, cameraman, back up. You mean you don't know this is. Yo, you don't know this is the warlord. Yo, camera person. Back up. You don't know this is the warlord. Yo, after 15 years, the warlord returns to the US with a star-studded performance.
And also, guess what happens for Sumfest?
Yo, we don't know where my Sumfest already. Cartel is going to be crowned king of the dance hall.
No.
What?
After 13 years, Laden will be on Sumfest this year. All this and more.
You remember saying for walk out, I'm saying that. Yo, people are dead. Yo, come on, personnel, back up. You don't know this is the warlord. I'm gonna go war hard. One more time.
Oh, no.